Hello friends, I'm Kristen Lindhart with The Mindful Heart, and I am so glad that you are here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make your very own ladybug craft. Isn't that just so cute? Let's get started. In order to make some cute little ladybugs like these ones, you'll need to grab a few supplies. The first thing you'll need is a pair of scissors. You'll also need a hot glue gun, and be sure that you have a parent or other trusted adult with you whenever you use a hot glue gun. You will also need to grab 2 black pipe cleaners. They can also be called Chanel sticks. You'll need to have a few little black circles. I cut these out of some felt that I had. You'll also need a little, like half an oval shape in black. This will be for the head of your ladybug. And I just cut an oval out, and then I cut the oval in half to make that. You'll need 2 little pairs of goggly eyes, and you can find so many fun different colors of goggly eyes, not just black ones too. And the last thing you'll need is a red finger knitted rope. If you don't know how to finger knit, that's okay. You can go to the description box below to find a link that will take you to a finger knitting tutorial. All right, I'm gonna move some of these things out of my way, and then we'll get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do to my rope here is trim these tails. Just gets a little bit annoying if those tails are too long. And now I'm gonna show you the first step. We're gonna take our red rope and take our hot glue gun, and we're gonna make a little strip of hot glue right down the side of that rope there. And then we're gonna start rolling our rope to make a little circle. If you've done some of our other finger knitting tutorials here at the Mindful Heart, you have done the same technique of just rolling your ropes to make circles. Now you don't have to do a red rope. There are a couple of thousand of different types of ladybugs, and they can come in all kinds of colors. Some of them are orange or yellow, and some of them don't even have spots. So you could learn about different types of ladybugs and then make different types of ladybugs. That would be a really fun little project. Now, I'm about to the end of my rope here, and I want that tail, these 2 little tail pieces that are sticking out, to be hidden away. So I'm going to make a little strip of hot glue there, push that down, then I'm going to put a little more hot glue on that last bit of rope and finish off my cute, happy little circle. Yay! Okay. The next thing we're gonna do is start turning this into an actual little ladybug. So I'm gonna take my little half oval shape here. I'm gonna put some hot glue around it. I'm gonna put it on my ladybug, like that. And then I'm gonna do the eyes. And you can put the eyes close together or far apart. Those are all little things you can do to give your ladybugs different personalities. There we go. I like how that's turning out. Now I'm going to take my black dots. We're just going to put little dollops of glue on the back. Start putting them on. This is turning out so cute. You can make your ladybugs in all different sizes too by making longer ropes or shorter ropes. Oh, this is so fun, and you get to be so creative. Here's my last little dot. Okay, Now we need to add the legs, and I'm gonna show you here on my sample ladybug kind of how it's gonna look. We're gonna glue it on the bottom and then fold them up, all right? So I'm gonna take my Chanel sticks or my pipe cleaners, and I'm going to fold them each right in half, like that. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. I'm gonna grab my scissors, and right where that fold is, down the middle of my pipe cleaner, I am gonna snip off those pieces so that there are now 2 pieces. Oh, there we go. And ladybugs do not need quite this many little pipe cleaner sticks to make their legs. So I'm gonna just set one of these aside. So you'll have 3 little pieces of pipe cleaner. Now what I'm gonna do is on the back of my ladybug, I'm gonna flip it upside down. I'm gonna look at about the middle of my ladybug, and it doesn't have to be perfect in the middle. You're just kind of doing your best, and you're gonna make a strip all the way across of hot glue. We're gonna take our little pipe cleaner, we're gonna kind of stick it right on there. And it's okay if it's not perfectly centered, because you can always adjust by the size of your legs by snipping off a little bit at the ends. All right, I'm gonna do that same thing for a strip of hot glue kind of underneath that first stick. We'll glue it right on. Isn't that so easy? Last one. And then you can just put your glue gun off to the side. You're not gonna need it anymore. Okay, yay! Now you could just leave it like that and have its legs all stuck out like that, but I'm gonna show you how you can make these bendy legs. So I'm going to, right here, fold them all down. Just like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Just fold them all down. There we go. Now I think that these are a little bit longer than I want, so I'm just gonna make them shorter. And you can leave them longer or you can make them shorter. There's no right or wrong way. There we go. Now I'm gonna fold these, well, I guess it could stand like this, but I'm gonna give it its little cute feet, make it a little more cartoony. So I'm just folding the ends of those pipe cleaners to give my little ladybug some little feet. Do the same thing for my last 3 on the other side. Oh, isn't that so cute and so fun? Like I said, you can make so many different varieties of ladybugs with this, and I hope you do, and I hope you have lots of fun. Thank you for learning to make ladybugs with me today. Be sure to stay tuned for more fun videos like this one. I'm Kirsten Lindhart, and this is The Mindful Heart.